Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. You guys are here with me, Dianna. Today we are out here in my food forest and we are about to harvest my peaches and cream corn. It is ready to be harvested, so if you guys want to come along with me as I harvest this corn, let's get into it. Alright you guys, so this is my first year growing this particular corn here. This is my second year growing corn. Last year I grew sweet corn. This year I'm growing the peaches and cream. So I'm going to show you guys how I tell when the corn is ready. You see how this ear has came away from the stalk? This is an indication that your corn should be ready. Also, you can tell by the browning of the silks. This is another way to tell when your corn is ready. So let's go ahead and see how this corn right here looks. Oh yeah, there, look at that. Look how beautiful. Oh yeah, let me take this glove off because guess what you guys? I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys today. Look, isn't that a beauty? Wow, and this corn was started from seed. Alright, and then another way to tell when your corn is ready, you should be able to take your thumb and see that? Look at that, milky. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a milky substance. When it comes out milky like that, that means your corn is ready. Let me get a stuff a taste test for you all. First time having peaches and cream corn, fresh. Oh my gosh. Wow. You don't even need to cook this corn, you guys. This is delicious. Give it a try. You want to try it?
Yeah, I guess let me try a little bit.
Try it. We got a alleged farmer here. He's giving it a taste try. What you think? What you think? I'm telling you, that's the best tasting corn I've had. I believe I'm going to cook this, damn, I'm going to grow this every year.
This show is some good corn.
Tell me. Lord, I hope I ain't choking on the kernel. All right, so we'll probably get the rest of this to the chickens.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So we're going to go ahead
Harvest them up.
and harvest some more corn. We're just going to throw it in our bucket.
You sure you know what you're doing?
I think I know what I'm doing. Now, some of this corn has been attacked by June. Yeah, it's been attacked by June bugs and might even got some silkworms in here. I don't know. But some of these stalks, check it out. Got 3 on 1.
Yeah, in the grocery store, how many for I think they'll be like what? How many how much do they sell for? Is it 2 for 98 cents, $1?
No,
or?
it's like 50 cents a piece.
50 cents a piece.
Yeah.
Well, it takes a lot of work at growing.
Yeah.
Growing them, so yeah, it's
So,
worth that 50 cents a piece.
I gotta get up in here. It's like a jungle.
Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle.
We got some nice ears, some nice ears of corn in here. And I'm just going to continue harvesting this corn. Check this out. I don't know what's going on here. I have no idea.
Those
Oh,
looking like
yep. See, look, something.
worms. That's like some kind of worm.
That's them silkworms probably eating it up.
From the
So
top.
yeah. Oh, look, we got a little pollinator here. Oh goodness.
Oh, I feel that.
Uh-oh. But yeah, I planted this corn from seed, and we are now harvesting. I am going to most likely freeze some of this corn because there's no way I'm gonna be able to eat it all. I'm going to probably give some away to my family and friends. But I appreciate you guys coming along with me out here in my food forest, harvesting this peaches and cream corn. I'm just going to continue collecting this corn here. Okay, you guys, so I am going to pull these stalks up out of this dirt from the roots, and I'm going to shake this off because I want as much as my soil as possible. The reason I am doing this is because I am going to prep this area here for my fall crops. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these stalks from out of here, and I'll just put it in my compost. And as you guys can see, the soil is very moist. We are still getting rain here. Southern Virginia, zone 7B. So as I am picking, I'm cleaning. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you this right quick here. This is a type of fungus. I learned about this last year. This right here is considered a delicacy in some countries. People actually eat this. They say when your corn does this, that means you got some good soil. But I don't eat it, but I just wanted to show you guys that this right here is considered a delicacy. Also, I wanted to show you guys this. This plant right here is it's a spiny aramathan. Can't pronounce it, but I'll put it in the screen. This right here has got some major thorns. Major thorns. Let's see if I can show you some right there. Major thorns. You have to be very careful. This right here is considered a weed. The Native Americans, they used to eat this. I don't know if they still do, but you can eat these leaves. However, it's not good for people who have kidney stone problems. So I would not recommend anyone with kidney stone problems to eat this. But they say you can eat it, but it is considered a invasive weed because this right here has thousands of seeds, and it will infect your crops. And if you have livestock, they will not eat it because of the thorns. I wanted to show you guys something here. I had ordered some seeds off of Amazon, some ground cherry seeds. So here are the ground cherries, you can see. And then here looks like I believe, tomatillos. So, Amazon has got us, you guys. This is coming up. All this right here was supposed to be ground cherries, but it is a mixture of ground cherries and tomatillos. You can see the leaf is totally different. That leaf there and the ground cherry leaves here. So they mixed ground cherry seeds in with tomatillo seeds, you guys. I don't eat this stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and clear this out as well. Okay, you guys, we have finished harvesting this peaches and cream corn. We got enough here to feed an army. I got a lot of shucking to do, you guys. A lot of shucking. I just want to say, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed and you like my content, please consider doing so. Thank you all again for coming along with me out here in my food forest. And as you guys can see, it is raining again. Alright, so until next time, I will be seeing y'all.